Hello, I'm William, and this is my sister London.
Hey.
And last night there was a big windstorm. As you can see, there's a huge tree right here, and it crushed these people's trampoline. It even crushed part of this fence over here. And there's sticks littered all over the backyard.
It totally crushed the fence.
Yeah, it did. And we're going to check out some other damage too. So stay tuned. Okay, so probably the worst damage so far in this video, me and London, is this tree, London, please. And so this tree, it snapped off, the top of the tree snapped off on the top, and it fell on this house. You can see it kind of crushed the roof, and the wall looks like it's coming down a little. Debris all over, and yeah, it's just not very good. I hope no one was hurt in this. See you on the next damage. Hello, so we're back at the next damage, and it's a tree. It fell across the road. It uprooted, and it blocked the road, so it looks like this road's going to be closed for a little bit. See you in the next damage. Hello again, this is another footage of the top of this tree. The top of a tree hit this fence, and the bad thing about it is, this was a brand new fence, so they are going to be mad. It came off of this tree, and it looks like this tree. And yeah, I wonder how much that's gonna cost. Our next damage will be the final damage of this video. Well, this will be our final piece of damage. This tree fell right in front of this guy's house. It's kind of a small tree, but it was close, and it could do a lot of damage.
Wait, that's two trees. They grew out of the same thing. Oh, a cat!
Yeah. So thank you for watching this video. That is the damage after the windstorm last night. I heard gusts reach at least 60 miles an hour. Thank you for watching. Goodbye. Bye.